It's always very illuminating to go back in time and look at the thought pieces from computer visionaries. And in particular, I want to draw your attention to this memorandum that was done back in 1963 that talks about intergalactic computer networks. I encourage you to do a web search and get this document and read it. Here is another one. This document talks about the first time computers talked to one another, the first computer-to-computer communication back in October 29, 1969. Now, this is considered the first ever email that was written by Ray Tomlinson from BBN Technologies back in 1971. And with all the junk mail that is floating around, you might be wondering why email was invented in the first place, but it is a useful tool when it is not junk. This is the logbook that was maintained by Professor Leonard Kleinrock of UCLA, who is considered one of the networking pioneers. And this logbook records the first time there was a computer-to-computer communication. A call was made from UCLA to Stanford Research Institute, host-to-host communication, recorded on October 29, 1969. And this is the first ever computer-to-computer communication. Here is another interesting chart. This chart shows all the computers in the world in one chart. March of 1977. This is your entire internet on one chart back in 1977. And the model of a computer system back in 1975 was you had a mainframe computer, which consisted of a CPU, memory, and I/O devices like a disk. And you have cathode ray terminals through which users can connect to the CPU and use the CPU in a time-shared manner. So this was the model of the computer back in 1975. Note that I'm not showing any connection to any network here. The reason I'm giving you this build-up with all the firsts in computer technology and the model of the computer system is because the seminal paper by Jerome Salzer identifies terminologies you and I know as current-day issues. Examples include denial of service, firewalls, sandboxing, objects, and so on.